Okay, so I've got here the undercarriage. Now those parts are 3D printed in aluminium metal. I got them ordered from China, they just arrived. The assembly here I just cut from plywood on my laser cutter. I'm just waiting for CNC machine parts to come from China, so they will be a bit narrower and lighter. So yeah, now let's have a look. Sweet. And the tolerances here, see, just about right, so no issues here. Let's open. And you can see, no problems with load. There is a spring in there. I did with a drill. I had to enlarge the hole as 3D printed parts. Precision is not perfect, but because of that I have zero play. It's good. It's good. So that's the way it should be. So, and this is actually like a proper scale undercarriage into Kamov.